These 5 extraordinary AI tools are literally a game changer for students, offering more than just assistance with basic tasks. They provide a unique opportunity to start generating income within 48 hours. But what sets this video apart? I won't just list AI tools, I'll teach their unique applications that will help you stand out. Means this video is truly a gold mine for you. Let's start with the easiest method, which demands minimal effort while still generating a substantial income. You might be curious about how. Let me explain the entire process. In this business model, you'll provide your writing services to high-paying clients. As you can see, how much demand there is for writing these days. But entering the market this way will expose you to intense competition. Well, don't worry, I have a simple and unique strategy to share with you. In this business, you won't offer a wide range of writing services, but will focus on specialized services such as. And for this business, you'll use Jasper AI, not just any generic AI. It is one of the best copywriting and content generation tools. If you visit this website, you'll find all the essential details about this AI presented clearly and simply. The main dashboard is clean and simple. You might be wondering why we need this when ChatGPT can accomplish the same task. Well, let me tell you why. ChatGPT gives you a blank box. Jasper gives you 50+ proven templates that actually convert. With ChatGPT, I'd spend 20 minutes crafting the perfect prompt. With Jasper, I click AIDA, a paste info, and done. Time is money, and Jasper saves both. Here's what killed me with ChatGPT. Every output sounds different. One day it's formal, next day it's casual. Jasper's brand voice feature learned my writing style from 10 samples. Now every piece sounds like me, not like a robot. Clients pay for consistency, and ChatGPT can't deliver that. Jasper AI surpasses ChatGPT for various reasons, but delving into all the details would make this explanation overly lengthy. Let's proceed to the next AI. Gamma is more than a slide deck tool. It's a platform designed to bring your ideas to life as stunning, fully realized content. Tailored for your needs, it enables you to craft captivating presentations, polished documents, impressive websites, and social media content all in one place. With its clean, intuitive, and fast interface, creating becomes effortless. Let me tell you how. Transform your lengthy notes into captivating presentations and your rough concepts into stunning websites. These presentations can be a lucrative opportunity, allowing you to sell them to university or students. This AI tool offers significant benefits for students, enabling them to design and sell impressive presentations and websites. This tool stands out as a powerful AI writing solution, ranking among the best options available. It helps your content shine, making it both distinctive and SEO-friendly. Writesonic's features boost productivity while sparking creativity. Unlike Jasper, where you train it with text, Writesonic lets you upload actual URLs. It analyzes the entire site's writing style, tone, and even their specific terminology. And this is the game changer, Chatsonic. It's like ChatGPT, but with real-time internet access. While other AI tools have knowledge cutoffs, Chatsonic can research current grant opportunities, latest research papers, and even today's news. The real game changer? Writesonic's API. Imagine creating a simple website where students upload their resume details and Writesonic instantly generates tailored, industry-specific versions. It's fully automated, customizable, and you set the price. Just think about the revenue potential resume builder websites are already raking in profits. You can utilize it in your own unique way. Many people are generating significant profits through these AI tools. Alright, let's move to our next tool, Opus Clip AI. And this one's about to blow your mind because while everyone's trying to become the next Mr. Beast, smart students are quietly making thousands with other people's content, legally. Let me explain what Opus Clip actually does. You upload one long video, and it uses AI to find the most viral moments and cuts them into shorts automatically. Here's a business model for you. Every day, professors deliver hours of valuable content through their lectures. You record these lectures, upload them to Opus, and it automatically generates 30 and 50 short, engaging clips. Here's the brilliant twist: you don't upload the clips publicly since you lack university permissions. Instead, you package them as micro-learning content modules and sell them back to the university as an innovative educational resource. Because universities are desperate for quality online content, and you can offer them lecture packages at an affordable rate. Professors benefit on professional materials for their courses, you earn revenue, and it's a win-win for everyone. This approach allows you to connect with various creators, YouTubers, and companies, helping you generate greater income. What makes this tool exceptional? Let me walk you through its incredible features. Auto-captioning boasts a remarkable 97% accuracy, even with complex technical terms. It intuitively detects when professors write on boards, automatically zooms in, and highlights key moments for emphasis, saving hours of manual editing. Remember, you're not just cutting videos, you're solving the massive problem of making academic content accessible and engaging. Professors have knowledge, you have the tool to package it. That intersection is where the money lives. Now we're getting to tool number 5, Descript AI. And if Opus Clip is like having a smart video editor, Descript is like having an entire production studio that reads your mind. Let me show you why this is the ultimate money-making weapon for students. Here's the fundamental difference. Opus Clip cuts existing videos into shorts. Descript lets you edit video like you're editing a Word document. But that's just the beginning of why this prints money. You will upload a boring lecture video here. Descript transcribes everything, but here's the magic. You can literally delete words from the transcript, and it removes them from the video. No timeline, no complicated editing, just highlight and delete. This tool is like a magic box. With the help of AI, you can seamlessly fix any spoken word in a video while perfectly matching the original speaker's voice. For instance, if a professor accidentally states the wrong formula during a lecture, instead of re-recording the segment, you can simply type the correct formula, and Descript will replace it using the professor's exact voice. This type of service can earn you substantial payment from the professor. The tool offers a wide range of features, which you can discover in detail by visiting their website. This video was designed to provide a clear explanation, and it seems that goal has been successfully achieved. In this video, I've shared techniques and tools with you. Now it's up to you to use your creativity and apply them to make money.